Hello children, this is your Nitin sir. Today I am going to speak about rational number. This topic is given in class 8 also, in class 7 also, and in the both the CBSE and ICSE. This is very important topic for your mathematics because it deals with your rational, irrational and the concept of the number system. So children, be ready for a easy way to understand rational number. Now I am going to show you a rational number. Before I will start rational number, I just wanted to give you some recap, that is the revision of integer, whole number and natural number. So I am going to begin my class. Just watch carefully everyone. Now children, now you see I have written here natural number. Natural numbers are number which start from 1, 2, 3 like this and go till infinity. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then integer. Integers are three kinds: negative integer, zero integer, positive integer. Sometime if I ask students in general how many kinds of integer, they only say two types, but that's why I just wanted to revise three kinds: negative, zero, positive. Positive 1, 2, 3, 4 a natural number, zero itself a whole number, and but it is known as also integer. Now negative, -1, -2, -3 like this you have integers. After that, a quick recap of fraction. Fraction is what? P by Q form, because we will start the properties of rational number or something in the form of fraction. So 2 by 7, 3 by 9, maybe the fractions are improper fraction, proper fraction, mixed fraction. Improper can be reduced into mixed fraction. So these are the example of fraction. Now I am coming to the point, that is rational number. Rational number. See, I have written already rational number P by Q form, that is Q is not equal to 0. I will come to this point. Any whole number, that is example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, they can be expressed as W by 1. Friends, W by 1 means whole number by 1. For example, 0 by 1, 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1. Any number which is whole number can be expressed in the form of rational number. Now some key points are I have written. Since division by 0 is not possible or permissible, allowed नहीं है, ये नहीं होता है friends. So 1 by 0, 2 by 0 or -5 by 0 will not a rational number because this is not defined. That's why I told here Q is not equal to 0. Now my dear friends, every integer is a rational number. You can take -1, -2, -3 because already I have said W by 1 is integer. Now every fraction is rational number. Every terminating means where the after dividing remainders comes 0. Every terminating is rational number. Every non-terminating is rational number, like 1 by 3, 0.333, 22 by 7 are the example of a non-terminating value. These are fraction and these are also known as rational number. Now after that, some points about positive rational number. Positive means what? Positive means 2 by 3 minus 11 upon -2. Wait, so minus minus cancel. So this is 11 by 12 is positive value. 9 by 5 is a rational number. Now negative rational number, -2 by 3 10 upon minus 9, either the minus sign hold in numerator or denominator, that is always negative. So these are the example of negative value. So negative value is always a rational number. Like the example of the rational number minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 are the example of rational number, a kinds of negative rational number. Now I have written here some key point. What is key point? Means p by q. When we multiply p with m, that is one variable, and q with m, one variable. For example, 2 by 3, 2 into 2, 3 into 2, that is 4 upon 6. So this is a kind of an example of equivalent fraction. Same thing when the division p by q, p is divided by variable, q is divided by variable. Suppose 27 by 12, it is divided by 3, it is divided by 3. 27 by 3, 12 by 3, that is 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is what? A rational number. Sometime a question asked to form a standard form, reduce in the standard form. Standard form means the lowest numerator by denominator if possible. Suppose 91 upon 13. So 91 is divided by 13. So 7. 13 by divided by 1, that is 7 by 1. This is a whole number and this is also a rational number. Other example, minus 64 by 24. So minus 64 is divided by 8, 24 is divided by 8. So minus 8 by 3. Minus 8 by 3 is a negative rational number. So my dear, these are the equivalent fraction also. Equivalent fraction means numerator and denominator either multiply by the same variable or divide by the same variable gives a equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Now coming to the properties. First of all, addition. Properties of addition of rational number. The closure property. What is the closure property? 2 plus 3. Uniqueness. The result is 5. It holds the closing value. So this is known as unique property also. Like this 3 by 4 plus 6 by 7. Commutative property. Very simple example. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. In both case, the result is 5. Suppose A by B, C by D are two rational number. So when we add A by B plus C by D is equal to C by D plus A by B, it gives a same value. For example, 3 by 4 plus 6 by 7 is equal to 6 by 7 plus 3 by 4. In the both case, result will same. In some book it is written P by Q and R by S. That is a variable, my dear. No need to confuse. My dear friends, ये P by Q भी हो सकता है, A by B भी हो सकता है, R by S भी हो सकता है, C by D भी हो सकता है. Okay? So no need to confuse कि this is given or this is not given. Now associative. I generally use A, B, C. So associative, because A, B, C are the very familiar words. A प्लस बी प्लस सी. सपोज आई एम एडिंग. पहले हमने ए प्लस बी को ऐड किया, फिर उसमें सी को ऐड किया. नाउ हमने बी प्लस सी को पहले ऐड किया, फिर इसमें ए को ऐड किया. इन द बोथ केस द रिजल्ट इज 13 by 12. दिस इज नोन एज एसोसिएटिव लॉ, माय डियर फ्रेंड. आइडेंटिटी. आइडेंटिटी मीन्स व्हाट? वेरी सिंपल फ्रेंड्स. अगर हम किसी नंबर्स में जीरो को ऐड करते हैं तो सेम वैल्यू आता है. रेशनल नंबर प्लस जीरो इज इक्वल टू द सेम वैल्यू. सो 2 प्लस जीरो इज इक्वल टू 2, 7 प्लस जीरो इज इक्वल टू 7, 3 by 4 प्लस जीरो इज इक्वल टू 3 by 4. सो दीज आर द आइडेंटिटी. देन एडिटिव इनवर्स. सपोज अगर हम बोले कि 1 में क्या ऐड करें कि वो जीरो हो जाए, वेरी सिंपली यू विल से 1 प्लस ब्रैकेट -1. सो एडिटिव इनवर्स का मतलब होता है अपोजिट इन साइन. साइन चेंज कर दीजिए सेम वैल्यू का. सो a प्लस माइनस ऑफ a इज 0, -10 प्लस 10 इज 0, 9 प्लस ब्रैकेट -9 इज 0, -2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is 0. In all the case I have changed the sign. Okay beta? Okay everyone? Now properties of subtraction. Closure property. 2 by 4 minus 2 by 7 is equal to 3 by 14. It's also a rational number. So subtraction hold the property of closure, but commutative can't hold. Commutative नहीं होगा बेटा. Friends, very simple. 3 minus 4 is not equal to 4 minus 3. Associative also will not a rational number, because A minus B minus C will all the time will not give the value. So example I have written, मैंने यहाँ पे एक example लिखा है, because sometime it is associative. So यहाँ see 6 by 11 minus of minus 4 by 13 माइनस ऑफ 7 बाई 4. वो अब हमने क्या किया कि सबसे पहले हमने इस ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व किया. इस ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व किया तो मेरी वैल्यू आई 75 बाई 52. ओके, 75 बाई 52. अब बाहर में माइनस है, माइनस के साथ मैंने इसको सॉल्व किया. द वैल्यू इज माइनस 513 अपॉन 572. अदर हैंड अब हम क्या करते हैं कि 6 बाई 11 माइनस के साथ इसको सॉल्व करते हैं माइनस 4 बाई 13 के साथ. तो माइनस 4 बाई 13 एंड वी हैव रिटर्न हियर माइनस 7 बाई 4. सो माइनस माइनस फ्रेंड्स प्लस हो गया. तो अब ये वैल्यू जो हो गई 122 हो गई, एंड देन माइनस माइनस प्लस, ये वैल्यू 7 बाई 4 हो गई. सो रिजल्ट विल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम हियर. सो दैट्स वाई इन सब्ट्रैक्शन rational number cannot hold associative property. Very important one. You do some practice by taking the minus sign. Okay, now again, non-existence of identity. Rational number of subtraction cannot hold the property of existence, and then non-existence of inverse. Okay, these property of rational number in subtraction can't be possible. Then we are going to see something about multiplicative rational number. Multiplication of rational number. The property of multiplication of rational number. We know that 2 into 3, okay, will give you 6. So this is a rational number. Suppose A by B into C by D. This holds closure property. 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. This hold closure property. 3 by 8. Rational number. Commutative. A by B multiplied by C by D is equal to C by D multiplied by A by B. Suppose 3 by 4 multiplied by 2 by 6 is equal to 2 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 4. So 3 2 ja 6, 4 6 ja 24, whatever the value. 3 2 ja 6, 24. In the both case the value 1 by 4 same. This is commutative. Now associative property. A by B multiplied by C by D multiplied by E by F is equal to A by B multiply bracket of C by D into E by F. You can take 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 3 different value, and you can calculate. Firstly, 2 number you multiply each other, and then third. In the LHS you do one thing. लास्ट के 2 नंबर आप मल्टीप्लाई करा दो और फिर फर्स्ट से वो मल्टीप्लाई, दोनों की वैल्यू जो होगी वो सेम आएगी फ्रेंड्स. सो वी कैन से एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर ऑलवेज एग्जिस्ट. ये होता है. देन मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी. वी नो 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1 is 2. So this is, if we multiply any rational number with 1, it gives a same rational number. So multiplicative identity of a rational number always occur. ये आता है. Then multiplicative inverse. Any rational number multiplied by its inverse gives you 1. For example, P by Q multiplied by Q by P. Q cancel, P cancel, 1. 10 inverse is 1 by 10 multiply gives 1. That holds for the multiplicative inverse. Multiplication by 0. Very simple example. इसको हम लोग बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. 0 से किसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वैल्यू 0 आएगी. Okay, so my dear friends and children, the last property of distributive property of multiplication. C, A by B मल्टीप्लाई C बाई D प्लस E बाई F इज इक्वल टू A बाई B. अब ना इस ब्रैकेट को मैंने ओपन किया तो A बाई B इज मल्टीप्लाई बाई C बाई D प्लस E बाई F मल्टीप्लाई बाई A बाई B. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 बाई 2 इंटू 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. This is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. In both case the result will always same. So this property is known as distributive property of multiplication. Now a quick understanding about division. Very few properties are here which hold for the division. Closure, yes. Closure hold for the subtraction also, division also, multiplication also, addition also. Commutative, no, because 2 by 3 divides 1 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 3 divides 2 by 3. So commutative which not hold by the division. Same thing in associative also, it is not hold by the division. Then associative property not hold by. Now rule of 1, any rational number divides by 1 always gives the same value itself. Divide by itself gives 1, divides by additive inverse gives -1. These are the three key points. No need to solve. You always keep this in your mind. If any rational number divides by 1 gives you the same value. Divides by itself gives always 1. Divides by additive inverse gives always -1. These are the some key point. You should keep this in your mind all the time. So my dear friends and student, this is your property, or maybe you can say the application for the rational number, where this will be help you to doing sums in class 8 and 7. Now I just stop myself with one topic, that is irrational number. Irrational number. What is irrational number? Irrational number is a decimal representation of a rational number, rational representation of a rational number. Either it is terminates or repeats its digit. We know that it is going to be rational. But if the decimal rational number, if the decimal representation of any number continues without repeating, मतलब वो चला जा रहा है 22/7, so that is known as irrational. Suppose √2 end नहीं होगी, root remainder is not equal to 0, that continues. Okay, and pi, these are the value, √3, these are the value. You will study about √2, √3, √5, and the surds which are prime number are irrational in class 9. So my dear, all the time you practice about to evaluate the application, then you will understand about the rational number. I hope this will give you more clear-cut conclusion about rational number in your mind. Okay, so in next class, in next video, I will solve some question related to the rational number of standard 8 and 7. Till that, God bless you everyone. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.